Hi there, I'm Calissa Marlar-Hall, and I am a Spanish teacher in Eureka, grades 8 through 12. I come in with a little bit different experience in that I have been a Spanish professor for 18 years. So as far as content relevance goes and being comfortable in the classroom, I think I have a lot of that down. But I like to hope that I have a growth mindset. So things that I can learn from this definitely so far have been the integration of technology. I used to think that I was fairly good at learning new technological elements to help us out with teaching and whatnot. I am quickly learning that I have been out of just educational groups because I've been away from graduate school for 18 years, so I'm not hearing a lot about different ways we can integrate technology. So being in here is a definite a positive thing for me to get to know more about what I can use in my classroom as far as technology goes. So I would definitely consider that a weakness, by the way, just not knowing a lot about what technology is out there that I can use in my classroom. Technological strengths, I believe, would be that once I find out about something, I have no problem working toward it to become comfortable and to execute it in a good fashion in my classroom and find even shortcuts and whatnot that might be helpful to students. So that would definitely be a strength for me. I'm not afraid of technology. I just don't. I'm a mom of 3 young kids, and of course I've been working full time, so I just don't peruse the internet or find a lot of new technological ways of doing things. But once those are presented to me, or once I'm in the position of having to find them, I'm usually pretty good at learning those modes. I do have access. This will be my 4th year using a short throw projector and a smart touch board, and I know my way around those items very well. I find those to be very useful for foreign language teaching because I can get the students up and involved and coming up to the board, and they seem to really like that. So that's what I have as far as technology that I feel really comfortable with. I'm also really comfortable with certain types of learning management systems. Currently I use PowerSchool, but I have been using Canvas for the last 8 years or so, and I feel very comfortable with both of those. I'm still learning PowerSchool, but Canvas, I feel super comfortable with that. Kahoot, I use Kahoot almost weekly, or definitely weekly, probably almost daily in my classes, and I find it to be very helpful for review and cultural knowledge and that kind of thing. Also Quizlet, I'm very used to using that. YouTube videos and the like for cultural knowledge as well. I think that this year I'm going to try to implement Pear Deck, which will be helpful to my students. And I'm doing a Google Classroom for the first time ever. So, so far with Google Classroom, I haven't run into any big questions. So I hope that that stays pretty smooth. And Google Communities, Google Drive, Google Classroom, and Google Communities are all super new to me. Drive and Classroom I have just started utilizing this summer, and then Google Communities just this week. So hopefully everything will go smoothly there, and I'll keep my growth mindset and keep learning about those. I look forward to meeting up with all of you here in this digital venue to get to know all of you guys and get your opinions as the semester goes on. Thanks. Bye-bye.